On May 21st, during its annual shareholder meeting, Neuralink held a presentation with some stunning revelations about what the future may hold for blind people. During the event, Elon Musk said that the first human trials of his brain-computer interface device could come in 6 months. But that's not all. He also shared details about how the device will work and what it means for those who have lost their sight. So today, we're going to answer the question, can blind people really see again? Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video to get updated with Tesla, SpaceX, Starlink and everything about Elon Musk. Musk has long been fascinated by the idea of restoring vision to blind people. In 2019, he announced that his company Neuralink was working on a brain-machine interface or BCI system that would allow blind people to see again. At the time, he said that the technology was still a few years away from being ready for human trials. But fast forward to 2023 and Musk is now saying that the first human trials could begin within 6 months. In a recent interview with CNBC, Musk said that Neuralink had made significant progress in developing its BCI system and that it was on track to begin human trials in the near future. He also said that the company had received approval from the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, or FDA, to begin implanting its devices in humans. This is a major milestone for the company and for the field of BCIs. The FDA is notoriously strict when it comes to approving new medical devices. So it is a significant achievement for Neuralink to receive approval so quickly. The way it works is that the device will be implanted into a person's brain and it will record visual information from the retinas at the back of their eyes. The visual information will then be sent to a computer which will process it and display it on a screen that the person can see. This may sound like science fiction, but it is actually a very plausible way to restore sight to blind people. There are already several companies working on similar technologies and some of them have even been able to restore limited vision in blind people. For example, Second Sight Medical Products has developed a BCI system that allows blind people to see shapes and colors. The system works by recording visual information from the retina and then sending it to a computer. The computer processes the information and displays it on a screen that the person can see. Second Sight has implanted its device in more than 100 blind people, and the results have been promising. Most users have been able to see basic shapes and colors, while some have even been able to read large print. So what makes Neuralink's approach different? Well, for one thing, Musk says that his device will be much higher resolution than those currently on the market. He claims that it will be able to restore full-color vision to blind people. Additionally, Musk says that his device will be wireless, unlike the wired devices currently in use. This will make it much more convenient for blind people to use. Another advantage of Neuralink's system is that it will be able to record visual information from both eyes. This will give blind people a much wider field of view and will make it easier for them to navigate their surroundings. It's not just about restoring basic vision either. Musk says that his device will also allow blind people to see fine details such as the individual pixels on a computer screen. This could have a huge impact on the lives of blind people as it would allow them to read text and use computers much more easily. Imagine being able to read a book again or watch a movie with your friends. It's a pretty amazing prospect. But it's not all smooth sailing ahead. There are some potential drawbacks to using a BCI to restore vision. One concern is that the device could cause eye damage. After all, it will be implanted into the brain, which is one of the most delicate organs in the body. However, Musk seems confident that this won't be a problem. He says that Neuralink has tested its device in monkeys and pigs, and that they haven't experienced any adverse effects. Another concern is that the device could be hacked. If someone were to hack into the device, they could potentially manipulate the visual information being sent to the brain. This could cause the person to see things that aren't really there or to miss important visual cues. Musk says that Neuralink is taking security very seriously and that they are working on ways to make their device hack-proof. In spite of these concerns, many blind people are eagerly awaiting the day when they can see again. Vision loss can be a devastating experience, but it's also one of the most common disabilities in the world. According to the World Health Organization, more than 250 million people worldwide are blind or have low vision. Many of these people would give anything to be able to see again. And it looks like they may get their wish sooner than later. We know that the Neuralink device is still in development, but we can already see that it has the potential to change the lives of millions of people. Imagine a world where blind people can see again, where they can read, drive, and enjoy the beauty of the natural world. It's a world worth striving for. And Musk isn't the only one working on this technology. There are other companies and research institutions around the world that are also developing ways to restore vision to blind people. For example, researchers at the University of California, San Francisco have developed a BCI system that allows blind people to see faces. The system works by recording visual information from the retina and then displaying it on a screen that the person can see. So far, the system has only been tested on a small number of people, but the results have been positive. All of this research is still in its early stages, but it's clear that we are on the cusp of a revolution in vision restoration. With the help of technology, it may soon be possible for blind people to see again. What do you think of this? Let us know in the comments section below. As exciting as this technology is, it's important to remember that it's not a cure for blindness. Blindness is a complex condition that can be caused by a variety of factors. In many cases, it is caused by damage to the optic nerve, which is the bundle of nerves that carries visual information from the eye to the brain. Even if a person's optic nerve is damaged, it is unlikely that a BCI system could restore their vision. That's because the optic nerve is responsible for carrying visual information to the brain. If it's damaged, then no amount of visual stimulation will be able to restore vision. However, there are a variety of other conditions that can cause blindness, such as cataracts, glaucoma, and macular degeneration. These conditions can all be treated with surgery or medication. In many cases, blind people are not actually blind, but rather have very poor vision. A BCI system could potentially restore much of their vision, allowing them to see shapes, colors, and even faces. BCIs are still in their early stages of development, but the technology is progressing rapidly. In the past year alone, we have seen some incredible advances. For example, researchers at the University of Pittsburgh have developed a BCI system that allows quadriplegics to type on a keyboard by spelling out letters. The system works by recording signals from the motor cortex, which is the part of the brain that controls movement. The signals are then sent to a computer which can translate them into text. This is an amazing accomplishment, and it shows just how much potential BCI technology has. As BCI technology continues to develop, we can expect to see more and more applications for it. One day it may even be possible to use BCIs to restore vision to blind people. If you want to know more about Neuralink and its amazing advancements, then make sure to check out our previous videos. We have covered a wide range of topics from Neuralink's latest developments to the potential benefits and risks of this technology. You can find something that interests you and learn more about what Elon Musk and his company are doing to change the world. Our videos are always up to date with the latest news, so you can trust that you are getting the most current information available. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new updates. Have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.